100 children to do this year. The Queen Quet coming to 100 from Nassau County, Florida, and things like that. And yeah, y'all talk to one in Nassau, been in Bahamas, and it one right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. And we're so glad for there one more again. We representative from down here in Florida, Sister Glenda, Simmons-Jenkins. How honor to do?
Doing fine, glad to be here.
So now, how honor feel about this year? Because it done give from home county for the truth. How you feel about this year?
I feel great. I'm proud of Nassau County for recognizing Gullah Geechee and for understanding how important it is to the history and the culture of this area.
Yes, and so now you know we got a big celebration coming up here. Finally, one more again.
Yes.
You know we brought the festival here years and years back, but now this year Saturday for Gullah Geechee Family Day. Tell them children why American Beach part of We Story.
American Beach is a part of We Story because it is the entrance point for our people who were brought illegally into Nassau County. So that's one of the areas where we came in illegally. For me, it is important because the Spirit led me there in 2002 so that Queen Quet could lead a service of healing and renewal for all of those souls that were lost in the ocean because of the transatlantic slave trade. And perhaps one of the reasons that it's very important to us is because of its history as the remaining black community that is functioning as a living part of our history. Marvine Betch, the beach lady, was the champion, who is now our ancestor, but she was the champion and elder of American Beach, carrying on our awareness and knowledge of the importance of American Beach in the history and tradition of her great-grandfather, A.L. Lewis, who was the president of the Afro-American Life Insurance Company, and who, along with the other members of the board, decided to establish American Beach. So those are the reasons that American Beach is significant to me and to all of us in this area.
And the beach lady was actually on our Wisdom Circle Council of Elders, God bless the dead, for the Gullah Geechee Nation. So we know the butterfly is going to be flying Saturday when we get there for shout one more again at American Beach. And the we first time. This might be our first time if you join we Saturday, but in the we first time it ain't going to be we last time, because we have to continue to honor our ancestors and our legacy here in Florida, because more often than not we hear folks in Florida say, my family is Gullah Geechee, and they in South Carolina, well, how your family Gullah Geechee and you not? Okay, you have to be Gullah Geechee too if your family is Gullah Geechee, all right, unless you adopted, all right, and I would think then they still consider you family, right? Okay, so let's get that thing straight, but definitely please come on out and join us in the launch of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And now, if you want Yeti, what is people about in my hand? Stay tuned, because we're going to take you inside where they just give me this year. From the Nassau County Council. Yet it was say, but who we be down here and how to honor the legacy of the Gullah Geechee. Honna children know if you're there with me, honna go know what is going on. Peace and blessings. See on a Saturday on American Beach.
August 5th, 2018 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. If you'll please approach the podium. I'll read this and I'll give you a brief discussion. Resolution 2018-86, a resolution of the Board of County Commissioners of Nassau County, Florida, proclaiming the week of July 28th through August 5th, 2018 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week began in 2012, and whereas this celebration of the living legacy of Gullah Geechee history, heritage, and culture came about due to the work of St. Helena Island native Queen Quet, Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and whereas Queen Quet and Kwame Shah founded the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival in 2005, which is the culminating event of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And whereas Queen Quet has been spreading awareness regarding the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation and has headed numerous endeavors that have led to global recognition. Whereas Gullah Geechees have an extensive history in Nassau County that includes both the enslavement and self-determination of the Gullah Geechee people through the history of Amelia Island, Old Town, Yulee, Nassauville, Franklintown, and American Beach. whereas Fernandina served as a point of disembarkation of Africans along our shoreline, as well as a place of Gullah Geechee subsistence, fishing, and spiritual nourishment, and whereas Queen Quet has led several libation ceremonies in Old Town, including the Middle Passage marker ceremony, at which the Peck Ensemble sang the spirituals created by Gullah Geechees, and whereas many Gullah Geechees have visited and continue to visit historic American Beach, and whereas the Nassau County Board of County Commissioners acknowledge the native Gullah Geechees of the Gullah Geechee Nation from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida, throughout the Sea Islands and Low Country, and support the honoring of their ancestors that built this region and the continuation of this rich and cultural heritage. Now therefore be it resolved by the Board of County Commissioners of Nassau County, Florida, this 23rd day of July 2018, that 1, the board hereby proclaims the week of July 28th through August 5th, 2018 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. 2, the board calls upon all citizens and visitors to take part in activities associated with Gullah Geechee Nation, which coincide with global activities for the United Nations International Decade of the People of African Descent. And 3, the board extends their best wishes as they celebrate this year's Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, disya Gullah Geechee, in Charleston, South Carolina, from August 3rd through August 5th, 2018, signed by the Board of County Commissioners.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you, Nassau County, for having we up one more again and thing like that. It's so glad all these your trip your Indian being, like we say in dry long so yet and the crack it he didn't gotta leave it tonight. Ain't gotta leave it down there with this year the Gullah Geechee. And so glad that this year we have a representative, Sister Glenda Simmons-Jenkins, who's a native here in Yulee, right here. Sister Xavier is here, who's born right here as well. And then Brother Kwame Shah is here as well. And so we're glad for the year one more again. Where here y'all talk a lot like this, I know. And you don't get to hear Gullah as often. But Saturday you will. Because we are actually launching this year's Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week right here in Nassau County at American Beach on Saturday at noon. And so we pray that you'll come out and that way meet and greet other Gullah Geechee family members that will be coming from various points and places to meet us there to celebrate the historic legacy that you have here in Nassau County. And we pray that the county will also have the museum open at American Beach on Saturday, so that the visitors that are coming from noon to 6 will have an opportunity to go in there, because we know how long it took for this county to put that institution there, and it's truly a treasure here. And we often tell people about it. We love for them to see it, and especially to honor the late, the great, the never forgetting lady of the beach herself, the official mayor, as we called her, Sister Beach Lady, Marvin Betch, who did a lot of work here to hold on to that treasure that is Nana, that is now part of even the federal system. I heard y'all didn't want to be a part of the federal system in that last endeavor, so you made sure to take care of that agenda item. But we thank you for Nana being a part of it, and we thank you for that mothering energy of Nassau County for Gullah Geechee culture to still be alive here. So once again, thank you, and I do have invitations to the event. I'll hand out, I'll give to your clerk so that all of you will have them. And anyone who wants to know the other activities that are going on, we just follow us at GullahGeecheeNation.com or at Gullah Geechee on Twitter and Instagram. So Hunter Children can keep up and know what is going on. Thank you. Peace and blessings.